Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 fully charged up, back again with another video. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can win grand leagues in fantasy applications. As we all know that IPL is already started, and most of us want to play fantasy applications like Dream11 and MPL and other applications also. So winning a grand league is not a small thing. It requires a lot of skill, at the same time lot of luck also. You should have. So but we can win grand leagues by using some beautiful techniques that are available right now at the moment. So grand leagues is what I'm talking about is that we know for example in Dream11 we have a 1 crore grand league. That means the first winner will get 1 crore. This is the contest that I am talking about. You can see the first winner will get 1 crore rupees and the second and so on. So this is the contest I am talking about. You can win this contest easily. So actually if you want to win this type of contest on yourself, then it requires a lot of skill, at the same time a lot of luck. But I personally developed this software which uses multiple techniques and multiple algorithms in backend, and uses previous data and a lot of new algorithms to generate 100% winning teams. So this software is best used for grand leagues as well as small leagues as well. This is the software I am talking about. In this software we have cricket, football, basketball and pro kabaddi as well. So this is the software. This is how it looks. And let me quickly walk you through how this software works, and how to use this software and how to get this software. So first of all, in this software, for example, let's go ahead and click on cricket. Since we are more familiar with cricket, let me go ahead and click on cricket. After that you can see generate teams, and there are plenty of options right here. You can see there are plenty of options. Let me quickly click on generate teams. So you can see this software supports a lot of fantasy applications like Dream11, My Team11, My Circle, My 11 Circle, MPL, FanFit, and a lot of other fantasy applications also it supports. Let me quickly explain how this software works. Basically this software works on 17 different algorithms and 17 different techniques. These algorithms are developed by myself, and this software works perfectly fine for grand leagues and small leagues. And let me quickly go ahead and click on Dream11, and after that it is showing the series that are going at the moment. We can see South Africa versus Pakistan is also a series which is going right now at the moment, and IPL is also started. You can see after clicking on IPL, you can see there are 3 sections here. One is for small leagues. If you want to join teams, if you want to generate teams for small leagues, this section is perfect for you. This will also give you #1 teams, because the software uses multiple algorithms and previous data and previous year IPL data and the player stats and the pitch report. Everything will be there in the software, and it will generate the teams according to those conditions. So you can see the small leagues also, grand leagues also, and advanced generation section is also there. This is a very advanced section, and if you want the teams, if you have a lot of skill, if you combine your skill with this section, advanced generation section, you will definitely win a lot of money, trust me guys. So let me quickly go ahead and click on quick small league section. So after that it is showing the teams. Okay, it is showing the teams in which the match is in between. Here you have to select the teams in which the match is in between. You can see all the teams is there here. So you have to select the teams, and you have to generate the teams according to that. So let me quickly go ahead and go to home page, and let me quickly again explain you how you have to generate the teams and how to use this software and how to get this software also. So let me go ahead. My internet is a little slow today. So after you can see, as I have already told you, you have to click on cricket. After that you have to click on generate teams, and you have to select the fantasy application that you are going with. And we have, let me quickly select South Africa versus Pakistan. I think there is a match today between them. Let me quickly generate for a small league. I want to generate the teams for small league. For the time being, I'm going to generate the teams for small leagues, and also grand leagues is also there. So let me quickly select the small league. So South Africa versus Pakistan is the match. So that's why I have selected both the teams. After that you have to click on continue. and you have to give the match number. Here match number is nothing but any, you can give any match number. That is not an issue, because whatever the teams that you have generated in our software, those teams will be stored in the software. That's why we have to give any match number. Let me give you 1 as the match number. So after that, you can see all the player data is displayed here, the player role and player credits, and you have to select at least 6 from each side. That means a total of 12 is minimum. You can select maximum as 12, but the minimum is 12. Maximum as 22, but the minimum is 12. So sorry for you guys for not using Hindi, because I don't know Hindi. I am basically from South India. I don't know Hindi well. That's why I am not able to make this video in Hindi. I apologize really for that. And you can see you have to select the players random. For the time being, I am selecting the players randomly. I am not checking whether they are playing in the squad or not. Just I am selecting the players. After selecting the players, you have to click on continue, and after that it is asking enter the number of teams you want to generate. You can see this is a small league section. As I have already told to you, this is a small league section. In small league section you can generate teams between 1 to 100, but whereas in a grand league, we have a grand league section also that you have already seen. In the section you can generate teams between 1 to 5,000 teams. So you have to click on number of teams. Let me quickly generate 50 teams. Just I'm giving it as an example. You can generate 5 teams, 4 teams, even 1 team. And our software, whenever you enter 5 as the number of teams in our software background, it will generate multiple combinations and gives you the best possible winning combinations. So after clicking on that, you have to click on generate. You can see the teams are generated successfully. All the teams are according to the Dream11 rules and regulations, and these teams are absolutely winning teams, because our software uses multiple algorithms to generate these kinds of teams. You can see all the teams are generated as I have already told you. You can see the credits is also listed here. You can see the see analytic option. Analytics is also there. That means how many times a certain player selected out of those 50 teams, and how many times a certain player become a captain out of those 50 teams, and how many times a player selected as a vice captain out of those 50 teams is all the data is displayed here, and strategies, everything is also displayed here. So as I have already told to you that I have given match number 1 to this generation. So let me quickly go to the home, and let me quickly go to the cricket and which is Dream11, and after that South Africa versus Pakistan. So sorry. After that you have to click on cricket. After that I have already generated the teams, right? So let me quickly check those results of the teams. This is a section where you can see the results of your generated teams. This is a very premium section in our software. This is a very useful section in our software. What is the match number that we have given previously for the previous generated teams? 1 is the match number. That's what you have to give here. And you can see just now I have generated 50 teams right here. You can see all those 50 teams. If you want to see them, you can see. And if you want to check the results of the match, if you want to check the results of these 50 teams, what you have to do is you have to go to the Dream11 application and enter the player points. You have to enter the player points, but that means after the match is finished, you have to enter the player points and update these points here, and you can check the results. That means with this option you can know that which team is getting good points, whether the generated teams are getting good points or not. In order to check this, I have developed specifically for this software, and I hope you got this point. And this is a very premium software. This software uses a lot of techniques to generate every team, and I hope you like this video. And those who want the software, those who have interest on this software, you can contact me. I have provided all the contact details in the description box below, and at the same time in the comment section below. So I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hot.